When upgrading your home with new windows in Scott, it's easy to focus on styles, colors, and energy ratings. But even the best windows won't perform as expected if installed incorrectly. Avoiding common installation mistakes can save you from future repairs, drafts, and wasted money. Here's a look at the top mistakes homeowners make during window installation, and how to avoid them. Skipping proper measurements. One of the biggest errors during any window installation project is incorrect measurement. Even a quarter-inch miscalculation can cause major problems, gaps, air leaks, or a poor seal. Relying on rough estimates or assuming standard sizes fit all homes is a recipe for trouble. To avoid this, always measure width, height, and depth in multiple spots and account for any irregularities in the window frame. If you're unsure, let a professional installer handle the measurements. They'll ensure a perfect fit that aligns with both your window type and your home's structure. Ignoring the weather and timing. Scott's climate brings both humidity and temperature swings, which can affect window installation. Many homeowners schedule installations during extreme heat or cold, causing sealant and insulation materials to expand or contract incorrectly. This leads to gaps and future air leaks. The best time for window installation in Scott is during mild weather, typically spring or early fall. Installers can achieve optimal sealing and insulation when temperatures are moderate and humidity levels are balanced. Overlooking frame preparation. Another frequent mistake is failing to prepare the window opening properly. Installing new windows into a frame with old caulk, debris, or rotted wood weakens the foundation. This can cause your windows to sit unevenly or fail to close securely. Before installation, ensure the frame is clean, level, and structurally sound. Any signs of rot or damage should be repaired immediately. A stable, dry surface ensures your new windows will last longer and perform better. Using the wrong insulation or sealant. Not all sealants and insulations are created equal. Using the wrong type can cause air leaks, moisture intrusion, and reduced energy efficiency. Expanding foam, for example, can warp window frames if over-applied, while basic silicone may not provide enough long-term protection. Choose a high-quality, window-specific insulation foam and a durable, weather-resistant caulk. A professional installer in Scott will know which materials work best for the local climate and your specific window type. Neglecting proper flashing. Installation. Flashing is the unsung hero of window protection. It keeps water from seeping behind the frame. Unfortunately, many DIY installations skip or poorly apply flashing, leading to hidden leaks and eventual mold growth. Properly installed flashing should overlap the top and sides of the window, directing water away from your home's structure. This small detail can make a big difference in your window's lifespan and your home's overall integrity. Forgetting to check for level and square alignment. Even minor misalignments can cause windows to stick, leak, or fail to lock properly. Skipping the level check during installation often leads to drafts or broken seals over time. Always verify that each window is both level and square before sealing it in place. Using a spirit level and shims ensures perfect alignment for smooth operation and a tight seal. Attempting DIY without experience. While DIY projects can save money up front, window installation requires precision and experience. Improperly installed windows can lead to higher energy bills, water damage, and voided warranties. If you're not a seasoned installer, hiring a licensed window contractor in Scott is your best investment. Professionals have the right tools, expertise, and local knowledge to ensure your installation meets all building codes and manufacturer standards. Ignoring final inspection and maintenance. Many homeowners think their job ends once the windows are installed. However, failing to inspect and maintain your new windows can shorten their lifespan. Check for smooth operation, proper sealing, and clean drainage pads after installation. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning tracks, inspecting caulk, and lubricating moving parts, helps keep your windows efficient and beautiful for years. Final thoughts: a successful window installation in Scott isn't just about picking beautiful windows, it's about ensuring they're installed correctly and built to last. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll enjoy improved comfort, lower energy bills, and long-lasting performance. For peace of mind, trust local Scott window experts who understand the area's climate, materials, and best practices. With their help, your new windows will deliver lasting value and enhance your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal.